Hello kids! Welcome to the mesmerizing world of birds. In this enchanting journey, we'll unveil the fascinating story of our avian friends, showcasing their incredible feats and inspiring tales. Join us as we delve into the captivating life of these aerial wonders. Let's go! In the heart of this serene wilderness lies the humble abode of the blue jays. Watch as they meticulously craft their nests, weaving twigs and leaves with astonishing precision, providing a safe haven for their offspring. Witness their graceful flights across the azure sky, soaring with effortless elegance, a testament to their unparalleled mastery of the heavens. Venture further into the depths of this mystical forest and encounter the resplendent plumage of the resounding peacock. Behold its majestic display, a vibrant spectacle that echoes through the verdant expanse. Experience the iridescence and grandeur of nature's living artwork, a mesmerizing dance that mesmerizes all who behold its splendor. Follow the awe-inspiring journey of the resilient migratory birds as they embark on their arduous annual voyage. Braving vast distances and challenging weather, they exhibit unwavering determination in pursuit of their seasonal destinations. Marvel at their instinctual navigation and unity as they traverse continents, a testament to their indomitable spirit and unyielding will. Yet, amidst their breathtaking allure, these magnificent creatures face daunting challenges in an ever-changing environment. Witness the tireless efforts of conservationists as they strive to protect these delicate species, ensuring their survival for generations to come. Discover the crucial role we play in preserving the balance of this delicate ecosystem, advocating for the harmony between human progress and the preservation of these wondrous avian beings. As we conclude this captivating tale, let us embrace the profound beauty and significance of these magnificent birds, reminding us of the intricate wonders that thrive in our natural world. Join us on our next adventure as we unravel more stories of nature's extraordinary creations.